Hey YouTube, I'm Indy. I'm Cece. And today we're at the beach, just enjoying life. The little ones. Say hi. So what's your name? You forgot your name? Okay, well that's Amira.
I'm Mason.
Did you hear Amira Mason? Yeah. That's the baby Anaya. Okay, YouTube, today's beach day, and me, Cece, and the kids, our little sisters. Oh, that was cold, that was cold, that was cold. Woo! Oh! Well, as you can see, not even that deep in there, but it's pretty cold.
Okay.
Oh, back up, y'all, back up. You see this? They cannot. I'm not trying to get in all the way. I'm getting my little tan. I don't need a tan, but I'm getting a tan. And got all the children, and Indy, and the ocean. Very far from me. You're cold. Okay, go ahead.
Say what I was saying?
Yeah. You're touching on your cold.
We are out here at the beach today celebrating Kiara's 6th birthday. This is what she wants to do. She wanted to come to the beach, so we are here.
Yes. And she's right there. Kiara, you having fun? Are you cold?
With him.
Okay. Well, she's having a lot of fun on her birthday. These waves are kind of big, man. Like, whew. Taking her back so she can go eat because she's been in the water like all day. Cece attempting to get into the ocean. Gotta pick her up. So little. Okay, guys, don't go too far out. Anyways, this was a quick vlog. Okay. Wow. This is a quick vlog. We wanted to just show you guys Kiara's birthday, a little beach adventure. Alright.
Oh!
Over and out, Cece.
Over and out.